Today we are going to go through a pre-contractual checklist for those of you that are looking at purchasing property in Queensland. And the reason you want to have a pre-contractual checklist is that it will usually minimise your chances of having regret when purchasing a property and not doing proper due diligence beforehand. So the first one we want to mention is the cooling off period. It's rather standard or usual in Queensland for the residential property contracts to have a 5 business day cooling off period. Now, this is a condition that you may not wish to rely on solely as an exit strategy for the contract, as 5 days is not very long, and you'll also have to pay a percentage of the purchase price to terminate the contract under this cooling off period. Now, the second thing we'd like to mention is the finance condition. So you want to ensure that there's sufficient time and that the finance condition is clear and that it's also not too strict. So you're not being signed up to have your finance with just one particular financier, and it's also allowing you enough time to get your finance approval with your financier. The third one we want to mention is the building and pest inspection condition. So you want to make sure that that again has sufficient time for you to obtain a report and also some time for you to review that report with your conveyancer and or solicitor. And you want to make sure again that that condition is very clear. It's not too strict on how you can go about the inspection or what you can uncover in the inspection and use to terminate the contract, nor do you want it to be too vague as well. Now, the fourth thing that we'd like to mention is that timing is everything, and that's why it's very important that you receive your pre-contractual advice and guidance well before you sign the contract. And the reason for this is that you're understanding the risks before you're actually committing. Your clauses are tailored to your personal situation, and you're not relying on any last minute fixes. So yes, if you are wishing to engage in some pre-contractual legal advice, and it's not just a financial decision, it's a decision that's encompassing many aspects of your life, and maybe not just your life, but those around you that you live closely with, then get in contact with us. You can reach out to us on our email address, info@onennesslore.com.au.